All right. Hello, everybody. How are you doing today? Let's welcome you to the next sketch in our series here. Today, we're going to be doing Chapter 2, Hands-on Test Drive 1. Shouldn't take us too long to do. It's a fairly simple drawing. Make sure that your Solidworks is set up to sketch in millimeters, grams, and seconds. We are going to open a sketch in the front plane. I'm going to go ahead and open that up, and I am going to open my line drawing tool, and I'm going to draw my first line vertically up 100 millimeters. And we want to make sure that we're vertical. We just want to be close. Doesn't have to be exact. And then we're going to go horizontally to the right about 35 millimeters. And then we're going to come down about 8 millimeters, and then we'll go over about 5. Then we're going to come down about 55 millimeters. Again, roughly, doesn't have to be exact. I don't want to add any extra relations like that right there. And I'll click right there and click right there. All right. Get out of our line drawing tool. And then it is time for us to dimension. I'm going to start with the first line here, which is going to be 20 millimeters. 20, not 200. All right. Then I'm going to click on this line. We're going to make this one 100 millimeters. And this line will be 35. So we'll make this one here 8. This one here is going to be 5. And then this one here will be 55. And we should have a fully defined sketch as soon as we do that, which we do. We are now done. Very quick drawing. It's not going to take too long. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's very quick today, but it's here for you. If you have any questions, any problems, anything like that, let me know either in the comments below or you can hit me up in the classroom. All right. Hope you have a good day, and we'll see you on the next video.